Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 700 plus food menu templates in PSD, AI and EPS file, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my old file. Go to sherry.pwd.com, just one time payment for a lifetime access. Okay, bar menu template, use letter and a for menu. For Photoshop you can customize in Photoshop. Restaurant, for example, I open this one in Photoshop. These are CMYK color, that's mean these are printable. You can change everything like this color. Okay, modern food menu preview. You can import your image and put your phone number or email, website. Open hours, okay. Here PSD and here AI for total illustrator. All files fully customizable. And first you need subscription for access. Take care. Allah Hafiz.